In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change a lock screen clock style on any Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. To do that, I'm gonna swipe down on the home screen and then just stop right here at that gear. On Settings, we need to scroll down until we find the option Lock Screen and AOD. AOD stands for Always On Display, so on your phone, this option may be called something like Always On Display. Then all we have to do is just enter it, and then scroll down to the bottom where we need to tap at Edit Lock Screen. After that, we'll be taken to the lock screen editor where, first off, we need to tap right here at Clock widget, and then we'll be able to edit it. We can select different one from these kind of presets or templates. I'm gonna use that one. Also, we can select different font for our clock widget. Let's say that one or that one. And also here we can change the color by tapping at these circles. Also we can use these gradient templates. I'm gonna choose that one. And then to apply the changes, just hit right here at Done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.